Hello and welcome to WPLMS tutorials. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about the survey question type. So the survey question type is effective if you want to record students' responses on a particular question but not necessarily evaluate it, or you want to add a proper survey seeking feedback from your users. So the main aspect of a survey question type is that there is no correct answer for this question. So it is only useful for recording responses from your students. So let's get started. So a survey question type can be added to any quiz. So if we edit any course and go to the curriculum section and edit the quiz, and you can see that we have this quiz already on which is 10 minutes duration and auto evaluate mode, and you can enable the retakes. And here we can add a new question. Select tag and select the survey type question. So once we create this question, if we edit this question, so we can see that this is our survey question and these are our options. So the survey question is pretty much like the multiple choice question with a single correct answer. So correct answer is definitely optional for the survey. And if we view this question as a standalone question, we see that the appearance is also just like the MCQ type questions. So we can save this, and if we preview the quiz and if we start the quiz, we can go to the survey question type and you can see it appears just like a normal MCQ question. So important point to note is that we need to give 0 marks so that this question is not evaluated, and when we submit we can track the responses from our students. In the quiz results, we can see that there is no correct answer, only the mark choice is displayed for this question. So back to edit course. Another survey type is that you can create a simple survey and in the result you can display a message to the user. For example, this is a survey quiz, fireman survey quiz, and we can add few questions here. And if we set this to auto evaluate mode with number of retakes and so if all the questions in the quiz are of survey type, then we can use this to our advantage and display a message based on the responses. So in the quiz post quiz message, we can add a shortcode for the survey result, and we can see that we have a shortcode survey result. And since this is a survey, the quiz ID and the user ID will be automatically picked. So we can add the marks. So important point to note is that if the marks of the survey question are multiplied by the option number. So for example, we have 3 questions and each of these question has 5 options. The maximum marks for this quiz will be 15 and the minimum marks for this quiz will be 3. If the user has scored anything between 15 to 10, we can say excellent. Similarly, so this survey result shortcode will also work for quizzes, but since this is a survey, we are going to test it for surveys only. And now if we save the survey, so we have this survey and with 3 questions, each of which have 1 marks. If we check the result, we get 9 score in the survey, which is of the category poor. So that's it from WPLMS tutorials. Thanks for watching.